Hi students, today we are going to study about nouns. So what do you mean by noun? Noun denotes the name of a person, place or object is known as noun. So what do you understand by the term noun? Noun means a naming word. So any name of it is a or it is a if it is a person's name or if it is the place of name of a place or any objects, we will consider it as a noun. എന്താണ് noun എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? noun എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? പേരായി വരുന്ന സൂചിപ്പിക്കുന്ന എന്ത് വാക്കിനെയും നമ്മൾ noun എന്ന് പറയും. So that is noun. Then nouns are different, countable and uncountable nouns. So what is meant by countable? Something that we can count. What is meant by uncountable? Something we cannot count. That is known as countable and uncountable nouns. There are countable nouns, there are uncountable nouns. Nouns that can be counted are countable nouns. So the nouns that can be counted, that are called a countable noun. Countable nouns can be quantified by a number, one man. So it can be what? Man is a noun. So if there is only one person is there, we will say it as one man. എന്താണ് നൗൺ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മലയാളത്തിൽ ഇതിന് നാമം എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. നാമങ്ങൾ രണ്ട് തരത്തിലുണ്ട്, നൗൺസ് രണ്ട് തരത്തിലുണ്ട്. ഒന്ന് കൗണ്ടബിളും ഉണ്ട്, രണ്ട് അൺകൗണ്ടബിളും ഉണ്ട്. രണ്ടാമത്തേത് അൺകൗണ്ടബിളും. കൗണ്ടബിൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എണ്ണാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നതും അൺകൗണ്ടബിൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? എണ്ണാൻ സാധിക്കാത്തതിനെയുമാണ് നമ്മൾ അൺകൗണ്ടബിൾ നൗൺസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഇവിടെ കൗണ്ടബിൾ നൗൺസ് ക്യാൻ ബി ക്വാണ്ടിഫൈഡ് ബൈ എ നമ്പർ. എങ്ങനെയാണ്? കൗണ്ടബിൾ നൗൺസിനെ നമുക്ക് ഒരു നമ്പർ കൊണ്ട്, അതായത് ഒരു സംഖ്യ കൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് സൂചിപ്പിക്കാൻ സാധിക്കും. വൺ മാൻ അവിടെ എന്താണ്? ഒരാളെ ഉള്ളെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെ പറയും? ഒരാളെ ഉള്ളൂ എന്ന് നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെ പറയും? വൺ മാൻ. ത്രീ ഡോഗ്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? പട്ടികൾ. അതായത് 3 പട്ടികൾ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ അവിടെ എന്ത് പറയും? 3 dogs. 6 apples, 5 oranges, 8 onions. എന്താണ് 8 onions എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 8 ഉള്ളികൾ. ഗിവ് മീ 5 onions. അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ്? അത് കൗണ്ടബിൾ ആണ്. Countable nouns have singular and plural form. What is meant by singular? Singular means one. Singular എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒന്ന്. What is meant by plural? Plural means more than one. ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ ഉള്ളതിനെ നമ്മൾ പ്ലൂറൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നു. ഒന്നേ ഉള്ളെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ അതിനെ സിംഗുലർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നു. ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ അതിനെ പ്ലൂറൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നു. ബ്ലോക്ക് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? ഒന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. അവിടെ നമ്മൾ ബ്ലോക്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? അത് പ്ലൂറൽ ഫോം ആണ്. ഫോൺ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? സിംഗുലർ ആണ്. ഫോൺസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് പ്ലൂറൽ ആണ്. men. Then articles a and the can be used before them. Articles a and the can be used before them. Before them means before a countable noun. An apple, a caterpillar, and the stars. All these are countable nouns. So countable nouns have singular and plural form. Always countable nouns have how many forms? Singular and plural forms. Then articles a and the can be used before a countable noun. A and the articles a and the can be used before a countable noun. Many can be used before this noun. Many students, many horses, many oranges. So that is all about countable noun. Nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. എന്നാൽ സാധിക്കാത്ത നൗൺസിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ അൺകൗണ്ടബിൾ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അൺകൗണ്ടബിൾ നൗൺസ് ആർ ക്വാണ്ടിഫൈഡ് ബൈ ആൻ എമൗണ്ട് ഇൻസ്റ്റെഡ് ഓഫ് നമ്പർ. എന്താണ് ഇവിടെ? ഒരു എമൗണ്ട്, ഒരു തുകയായിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത്. ഇൻസ്റ്റെഡ് ഓഫ് നമ്പർ, സ്പെസിഫിക് ഒരു നമ്പർ നമുക്ക് പറയാൻ സാധിക്കത്തില്ല. എ സ്പൂൺ ഓഫ് ഷുഗർ, നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് ഇവിടെ എ കിലോ ഓഫ് ഷുഗർ എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. 1 sugar, 2 sugar, 3 sugar എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറയത്തില്ല. കാരണം ഷുഗർ നമുക്ക് എണ്ണാൻ പറ്റാത്ത ഒരു ക്വാണ്ടിറ്റിയാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത് വാട്ട് വി വിൽ സേ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് 1 kilo of sugar. That is an amount. So 1 kilo of sugar, 2 kilo of rice, a piece of music. So these things cannot be counted, and these things cannot be countable one. So it is called the uncountable one. A packet of rice, we cannot say the number of rice, one rice, 2 rice, but we will say it as what? A packet of rice. That is known as uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns are quantified by amount instead of number. A spoon of sugar, 2 kilo of rice, a piece of music. They have only one form and they do not have a plurals. So uncountable nouns have no plural form. They are not specified in plural forms. എന്താണ് plural form uncountable noun ഇല്ല. നമ്മൾ ഓർത്തിരിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യം എന്താണ്? A packet of sugars എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറയത്തില്ല. A packet of sugar. A packet of rices എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറയത്തില്ല. A packet of rice. അതായത് എന്താണ്? Plural form ഒരിക്കലും uncountable noun ഇല്ല. There is no plural form for uncountable noun. A, an or one cannot be used before them. A, an, a packet of a, an or one cannot be used before them. English, oxygen, cash. So in this type we cannot use them. Some and much are used before uncountable noun. Some cash, much water. There are plenty much water in the pot. There are much water in the pot. There are some cash left with me. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? Some and much are used with the uncountable noun. Identify the word in blue as countable or uncountable noun. There are 2 bedrooms in our house. There are 2 bedrooms in our house. So here you have to look. This is the answer. There are. It is what? There are 2 bedrooms. That is bedrooms. That is a countable one. So it is what? The answer is countable. COUNTABLE. So it is a countable noun. 2 bedrooms. Bedrooms means what? It can be countable. So 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom. That we can count. So it is a countable one. Herman's sister. Herman's sisters is scientist. Scientist, it is what? Scientist is a name. Scientist what? It is an countable noun. It is what? It is also a countable one. The word blue in the word appears in the blue is scientist. So it is a countable noun. Kanika's mother prefer coffee to tea. Coffee to tea. The word blue is coffee. So it is what? Coffee. Can we count coffee? No. It was what? Uncountable noun. It is an uncountable noun. We didn't say. Can we get a cup of tea? Okay. We didn't say that. Can you get me one cup of tea? No, we didn't say. Can I get a cup of tea? Like that only we will say. It should be what? It should be a uncountable one. 4th one. Raman drinks 2 glasses of water every morning. Water. The word indicates blue is what? Water. We cannot count. So it is what? It is an uncountable noun. Understood? Then 5th one. We need some glue to fix this vase. Glue means pasha. Glue in the blue section indicates glue. It is what? It is pasha. It is what? It is an uncountable noun. The paneer curry. Paneer is a North Indian dish. Actually it is paneer curry that my father prepared is delicious. It is what? Paneer is also what? It is also an uncountable noun. Uncountable. 6th one. Uncountable noun. Students, you have to write it in your the grammar book. The road becomes slippery after the rain. So it is what? The road becomes slippery after it is the rain. It is what? It is a what? The road becomes slippery after the rain. The word in the blue is color is what? Road. So it is what? It is a countable noun. 7th one. It is a countable noun. So it is a countable noun. Take the corrective form of the. Tick the 1 second. Okay. Then tick the corrective form of the nouns. Tick the correct. Do you like fish or a fish? Which one it is correct? Fish is the correct one. So you have to write. You have to tick the option fish here. Do you like fish? Dad reads newspaper or the newspaper every morning. Which one is correct? Newspaper is what? Newspaper is a countable one. So we should what? The newspaper. The article the is used before a countable noun. Here the newspaper is correct. So we have to tick the option the newspaper. Mom's office will move to its new premises next month. Which one is the correct one? Premises. You have to tick the option premises. PREMISES. Premises means what? Parisaram. Understood? Then where did you keep the bottles of milk or milks? Which one is the correct option? Milk is the correct option. You have to put the tick mark on milk. Please add some salt or salts to the soup. Which one is the correct which one is the correct option? Salt. Salt is what? Salt is an uncountable noun. So it has no what? It has no plural form. So the option salt is correct. Salt. You have to tick the option salt. Please bring a jar of spices for me from Kerala. So please bring a jar of spice. Here jar of spices, a jar of spices, it is a countable one. So which one it is correct? Spices is a correct. For me from Kerala. Manju plans to buy a binocular, a pair of binocular. So it is what a countable noun. So which one option is correct? A pair of binoculars is correct. Manju plans to buy a pair of binoculars before she visit Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. The metro is cheap, fast and comfortable. Means of transport. Which one it is correct? Means of transport. Means of transport. That is the correct option. You have to tick there. All these pillars are made up of iron or irons, that is rusty roof. So iron is what? Iron is a countable noun. We have to what? Iron. You have to tick the option iron. This publication has its headquarters in Delhi. Which one it is the correct? Headquarters in Delhi. That is the correct option. Headquarters. That is the correct option. You have to tick that option. Next, Mr. Patlakar. Children, I am planning to complete the sentence with the words from the box. Complete the sentence from the words from the box. See, Mr. Patlakar, children, I am planning a surprise party for Himesh. Will you help me plan it? Will you help me plan it? Natasha, Andy, why don't you bake a strawberry cake? So we all want to have at least 2 dash each. Which word we have to take? Slices. We have to take 2 slices each. So you have to write slices. SLICES. Anil, for the drinks, I think a can of juice. A can of juice, or which one the word that we have to place from that? Glass of lemonade for each of us should be fine. Rita, I will help you to make the invitation cards. I will need a few. Which one? Sheets. So that is the answer. Sheets of colored paper and a few bottles of paint. Nitin, Andy, I will make the sandwiches. I will need two which one? Loaves. Loves. Loaves of bread and a jar of jam. Mr. Patlakar, thank you children. Each one you deserves a cup of hot chocolate and some cookies. A cup of hot chocolates and some cookies. Then next we are moving to another exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct nouns from the box. Spectacles, people, funds, fund, then clothes, damages, manners, spirit, ground, contents, fruits. We must several. First one is an example. We meet several during our trip. We meet several people during our trip. The of India practice a wide variety of religion. The peoples of India practice a wide variety of religion. Try to eat at least one piece of every day. Which one from this option is fruit every day. Kiran has worked really hard this year. Now he is enjoying the of his labor, fruits of his labor. First one it is fruit, Fruit. Second option here it is what? Fruits of his labor. The school in the hill had a extensive grounds, grounds, extensive grounds. Then the dash here is very hard and bare. The dash here is very hard and bare. The ground here is very hard and bare. The Republic Day parade is grand dash. The spectacles. So the Republic Day parade is grand spectacle. I keep losing my spectacles. I'll keep losing my spectacles. SPECTACLES. Can you lend me 500 rupees? I am a little short of funds. FUNDS, funds. Then that group is collecting money for the cyclone relief fund. FUND, fund. Then sixth one, the dash of these books are listed on the second page. Contents. The last of the book are listed for the contents of this page. Urusa did not like dash of the article. Content of the article. It is considered bad dash to talk with your mouth full. Manners. It is considered manners. Take a second one. What is the answer? Manner. It is so. Can he answer the question in a business like a manner? MANNER. In difficult times, you must keep your dash up. You must keep your spirits up. Then our team player have a very strong team spirit. That is the answer. The dress is made out of beautiful silk cloth. Cloth is the answer. Then Janvi brought some new, which one? Clothes for the trip. Last night storm did a lot of dash to house. Damage to the lot to house in our locality. The judge awards Satyam father rupees 10,000 in damages. So damages, DAMAGES, damages. Okay, students. Now let's look to collective noun. We use collective noun to name a collection of people or a thing that are taken together and spoken as a word. Collective nouns are regarded as a single unit. So we use collective noun to name a collection of people. Example, say for example, so in hospital doctors are there. So we will say to us a doctor. Then the name of we use collective nouns to name a collection of people or things that are taken together and spoken as word. Collective nouns are regarded as a single unit. Collective nouns are always regarded as a single unit. A school of fish. So a group of fish that we said it as what? A school of fish. Then a parliament of owls. What is meant by parliament? A group of peoples. A parliament of all. Sorry, a parliament means what? A parliament of owls means a group of owls. A murder of crows. A murder of crows. So these all things are known as collective nouns. We use collective nouns to name a collection of people or things that are taken together and spoken as a whole. Collection names are regarded as known as a single unit. Okay. Then fill in the blanks with the correct collective nouns. So fill in the blanks with the correct collective noun. Dash of bacteria, colony. Colony of bacteria. You have to tick the option colony. Dash bunting cluster of flags. Dash bunting cluster of flags. Which one it is the correct answer? Which one is the second one? Then a colony of this one. A colony of. So okay, we will continue in the next class.